Hi, welcome to VC Tips from Flashpoint, where I'm trying to address questions we're getting daily in our work. If you for some reason haven't been optimizing your cost structure yet, here are some thoughts. I've discussed what to cut in one of the previous posts, some more thoughts on the approach. Try avoiding sausage cutting, i.e. optimizing costs a little at a time, but multiple times. It is best to optimize once and for longer term. Laying people off is never an easy decision. Be fair with departing people, but the remaining people need to have a re-emphasized sense of values and vision. Don't wait with cutting. Some founders delay because of a VC still contemplating a term sheet or a strategic going through diligence. Be decisive. Delaying might kill you. Also might hurt the morale of the team if they understand the necessity of cutting but no clarity on actions or path forward. Contact us if your company is looking for capital. Submit your pitch today.